22 clear lane, Big Cat 45 man.
Get that out of my...
2295, Fortune is 2395.
There you go. Right there. Whoa, whoa, what smoke. Holy sh... Whoa, we got a problem here or what?
1307, runway 13 for takeoff.
Is that an engine? Looks like a problem, look at that. I don't know, I thought I saw a flame. Holy shit. Oh boy. Probably not going to let anything come in on the runway right now because there could be something on it.
Breakout 4553, this is for the previous aircraft that landed.
Might have a part of the tire or something laying out there.
Just climb and maintain 2000, fly the runway heading. Alright, car 90, the white car.
Hey, it's confirmed you got a blown tire. No fire.
Told you LaGuardia, man. You never know what to expect. There's always something happening.
From the departure end.
Okay, car 90, the traffic is going around on...
They wanted to get a visual before they get too close.
I'm at the departure end right now on Del Alpha.